What's good, people, and welcome to Two Wheel Talk. Doing a bit of research, there's so many options for Bluetooth headsets that do various things, and I wanted one that came with two headsets as opposed to just the single one or having to buy two separate ones. And that I narrowed it down to the Cardo Spirit, the Cardo Spirit Duo pack. It's got Bluetooth 5.2, which is a very recent version of Bluetooth. Some of the other options had like Bluetooth 3 or 3.5, I think, which is an older, less capable version of Bluetooth. This one's waterproof as well. 400-meter distance between you and the other person wearing the headset, and it's got 32mm speakers for inside the helmet, so you can hear everything that's going on. So this is the box you get. Let's just have a little look there. Waterproof, universal connectivity, automatic volume adjustments, over-the-air update, so you don't have to plug it in. It's got a 10-hour battery life with a fast charge. You can stream music to it, and you can connect your GPS and phone via Bluetooth. So some of the older Bluetooth models can't connect two devices. For instance, they can only connect one at a time. And obviously, we already know about the speakers. It does have an app that you need to use called the Cardo Connect app. That's available on Android and Apple. So let's just open it up. So inside you get two headsets, really light. This is a rubberized texture here. Buttons have a good sure click to them, which is good because when you're riding and you've got your gloves on, sometimes it's hard to tell whether the button you've clicked has clicked or not. One thing I am seeing here straight away though is when I press it, you can see that depress in there, bit of tension. Hopefully you can see that. So yeah, I don't know what I think about that. It kind of reminds me of like a sticker that's on too tight, but this is rubberized, so hopefully it doesn't rip. On the back you've got the little catch to connect it to the mount and the connector for charging or connecting to. Oh, there's a USB-C in there. That's obviously why it's fast charging, because it's got the USB type C. So let's see what's underneath. A bunch of leaflets. Start here before using your unit. Download the Cardo Connect app. There's a QR code that you can scan. Download the app and update it. Cool, no problem. There's a sticker if you want to stick some stuff somewhere. There's a pocket guide, another pocket guide in some other languages. An installation guide for how to put it on and in your helmet. And then last but not least, we've got these two packs, both the same. Let's have a look inside. So you've got a USB-C cable. You've got one headset there, and a cover, it looks like. And you've got a microphone. The back plate, not cover, and a clip that connects it to the helmet. And then you've got the other headphone. So they're quite thick, the headphones, they're quite deep, so you're going to need a bit of depth in your helmet, because they don't sit flat or flush, as you can see. So they're not quite as thin as you might hope for, but they've got a good little weight to them, and hopefully they're gonna provide a good sound. If they were too flat and thin, you wouldn't really get any bass or anything, which is one common complaint from headphones like this. And there you can see the driver inside. Yeah, it's not bad. It's like just a cheap looking headphone. Hopefully they'll be fairly decent. Do a sound test at some point, and that comes with a 3.5mm jack. If we bring back one of the Cardo units, we can have have a look at where that plugs in. I actually can't see anywhere to plug that in. Maybe it plugs into this. It's got a 3.5mm adapter jack, which is good because that gives you a little bit more play. And then once you pop this on here, like that, like that. See, like that. Slide the back in first, then the front, clip it, there you go. And then you've got this 2-pin jack here that just clips in like that. That's waterproof as well. You can see it's got that little sheave on it. And there's your microphone, that's kind of heavy too. And it's bendable, so you can bend it and keep it in position. And that's basically your entire unit there. The 2 headphones, the mic, and then the Cardo unit itself. Not too bad at all. So there's 2 of those, one for you, one for your passenger or the other person you want to communicate with. And there's also some little sticky Velcro pads here as well. Okay, so that's everything you get in the box. Just a quick unboxing to show you everything that you get and what you can expect when you open up the Cardo. To get this off, you just press this little button here and then disconnect it like that. And yeah, I hope that was insightful at the least and gives you a little idea of what to expect when you get your Cardo Spirit. Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video where I'll test it out, attach it to the helmet, and yeah.